I May Destroy You, 2020. This is a television series. I watched it in 2020, straight 2021. It took a while to watch it. I found out about it from a colleague who recommended it at the time. And I find series quite difficult to get into, but this was 30 minutes, bite-sized chunks, and 12 of them, so 6 hours in total. And because they were short episodes, I found it a lot easier than you hear about people binge watching really long um, series and lots of them and box sets, and I find that a bit overwhelming, so I haven't got around to doing that at all. But this stars Michaela Cole, and she's a writer. She's got writer's block. She doesn't really know how to get through it. She has various meetings, and even when she's right up against a deadline, she decides to go out to party. And then the next day, some strange things have happened, and she doesn't even realize to start with, but someone notices. Her flatmate notices a cut on her forehead, and friend notices her phone's been smashed. She just gradually realizes, she gets flashbacks and suddenly realizes something awful has happened. And it takes all of these 12 episodes to piece together what's happened and what she is willing to do about it. And it gets quite complicated, but it is so educational. I found all the intersectional stuff. I mean, there's like drug dealing. There's a drug dealer from Ostia, which is a beach resort next to Rome. And she flies out to see a particular guy who she seems to fancy. Oh gosh, there's an LGBTQIA plus friend. There's a couple actually. There's a trans man, but there's also a gay man who suffers from unconsensual, really awful incident. Michaela gets is has another incident which is unconsensual, and she doesn't even non-consensual. She doesn't even realize it until afterwards. So there's an awful lot that gets discussed and relayed, and wow, I found the whole thing really interesting. Um, and in some ways, I probably have learnt a lot more, largely through social media, just seeing other people discussing their lives, and seeing a lot over the, uh, practically it's around 5 years since I first saw it. Perhaps 4.5 from when I finished seeing it, because it was about mid-March 2021. But it was, I thought, a really fascinating story and quite an ordeal. It is potentially triggering for a lot of people, but it covers so much. I mean, there's so many little sub stories that all fit in together. It's expertly woven. Once I'd finished seeing it, I really want to see something else by her. And there is Chewing Gum, which I haven't seen. I think it's again on the BBC, and I don't get that. So maybe to watch it when I visit a friend. But um, I'm going to score this 9 out of 10 because it was really interesting. And I'd love to know what you think if you've seen it. Thanks for watching. Please like if you like this. Nice short review. And please subscribe if you want or consider subscribing, and hit the notification bell. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.